Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to do a get ready with me. This is very simple. I'm going to be going to my best friend's birthday dinner, so I'm just going to be putting together a look, doing my hair. So please subscribe to my channel if you are not already. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. My name is GRWM for y'all that don't know me, and without further ado, let's get started. I don't know what that was. Jazz fingers or spirit fingers? I don't know. That was wrong. Let's get started. I'm literally brushing my hair for like the first time in freaking probably about a month. I normally just like brush my hair with my fingers and call it good, but I'm trying to straighten it today, so I'm actually going through and taking the time and brushing my hair. My mom would be so proud. Okay, so while I'm waiting for my straightener to this fluff ball to warm up, I'm just gonna go through with some healing dry oil, just spray this in my hair and then kind of brush it through my hair again, just so I can tame some of this frizz. Okay, so in the meantime, I'm just gonna do my makeup. I'm not gonna do anything crazy today. I'm just gonna, I don't know, just see where it takes me. Hopefully something simple. So I'm just gonna start by priming my face. And I'm just going to use my Dr. Brown Luminizer Primer. I'm just going to put that on my fingers and then put it all over the place. Okay, and now I'm going to go through with my NYX BB cream. And I'm just going to put this on my fingers and put this all over my face too, because I'm kind of in a hurry, so I don't have time to just dab, 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 dab today. Okay, and I'm just going to take a little bit of concealer and get some of my blemishes and some red spots, and then also do my under eye. And you guessed it, I'm using the NYX HD concealer. Okay, so now I'm just going to go through with my highlight and contour palette, and I'm going to go in with this brush right here. I don't know what this is called, but I really like it. And just gonna highlight and contour. I mixed highlight 1 and highlight 2. You can see highlight 2 definitely has a lot of love. I put pan on it, but it's like, it's almost my skin color, so it's really nice because I can like set my whole face with it, and it does really good. But my hair is falling back out again. That dang oil, so good for my hair. Okay, and I'm just gonna go through with my Brow Gal by Tanya Cook's powder, and also the brush that came with it. Got these in a BoxyCharm, and I just take the darkest shade and I start at my tail end, well, kind of halfway in the middle, I should say, and then I bring it down into the tail, and I just try to make small little strokes. Okay, and now I'm just gonna go in with this middle shade right here, and I just kind of do a line and then I just bring it up. And then I'm just gonna take it slowly, brush it out a little. Bam, there's my eyebrow. And now I'm just gonna go through with a little bit more concealer and just kind of clean this up a little. I just kind of take a couple little dabs right there. Concealer brush, and just kind of... Now I'm just gonna go through with a little bit of my brow gel, also by the Brow Gal. And I'm just gonna do a really quick, simple look. I'm gonna go through with my Prism palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. By the way, this is $31 in Sephora right now. You're welcome. You should get it. And so I'm just gonna take, I'm using the brush that comes with this, and I'm gonna take the brush or the color right here called Unity. I'm gonna feel that and I was thinking about doing a 4 looks 1 palette type of video, and I was thinking about doing it with this palette because I feel like there's a lot you could do with it. So let me know if you guys would be interested in seeing that. So I'm just gonna take this and put this on my crease. That brush is super stiff. Okay, and now I'm going to take the color Eden, which is right here. Same brush, also putting that in my crease. Now I'm going to take a crease brush like this, and I'm going to go in with Parallel real quick, taking just a tiny bit of that. I don't want to get too much. And just put that right in the crease. Trying to keep that pretty low though. Okay, and now I'm going to do really simple. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take some concealer. I'm just going to kind of cut my crease out. Okay, and now I'm going to go through with this color right here called Pyramid. And I'm just going to take my fingers and dip into that and put that right where I just put my concealer. There we go. Now I'm just going to go through. I'm just going to use the other side of the brush that came in that palette. I'm going to grab the color Lucid and I'm just going to pop that in my inner corner. Now I'm just going to go through with the clean flat shaded brush. I'm going to take that color Parallel and I'm just going to put that on the underneath of my eyes. And then I'm actually just going to go over that with the lighter shade called Eden. Clean flat shaded brush, and I'm just going to kind of blend this a little better. And then I'm just going to take a little bit of concealer and clean it up underneath. And then I'm just going to go through with a little bit more of that setting powder from the Highlight and Contour Kit. And now I'm just going to go through with my Pure Bronze and Brightening Palette. I've been loving this. Ever since I got this in Back to Charm, I've been using it every time I do my makeup. So I'm going to take the bronzing shade in this brush, do a little bronzing. I haven't really been contouring much anymore either. I've just been bronzing my face. Okay, and then I'm going to use the same brush, going with a little bit of the blush. Yeah, a little too much. Just going to bring my cheeks up a little. Okay, I'm going to go through with the highlighter, this brush. Now I'm just going to go through with my Tarte Tarteous mascara. I think we already knew that. And then of course go through with my NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. I'm going to go through with this ColourPop Ultra Satin Lip. I don't know what shade it is. Oh, Strip. Okay, Strip. There we go. Now I'm just going to go through and do this hair. Honestly, I haven't straightened my hair since I don't even know when. It's been a really long time. Alright, so my hair is done. I've just got to get dressed and I'm ready to go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.